Craving a low-carb, cheesy delight? Let's make Carnivore Cheesy Bread. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine 1 large egg, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and Italian seasoning to taste. Mix everything until well combined. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and flatten the mixture evenly onto it. Bake for 17 to 20 minutes until crispy. Optional. Top with additional cheese or crispy bacon for extra flavor. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing. Enjoy your delicious, protein-packed carnivore cheesy bread.